Hello everyone, today we're taking a look at the Flatsons FCP2 compressor pedal. This pedal helps smooth out your playing, add sustain, and keep your volume consistent. Flatsons sent it to me for review, but as always, all opinions are my own. Inside the box, you get the pedal and the manual, same compact metal housing as the other Flatsons pedals. It is lightweight, simple, and easy to fit on any pedal board. This compressor pedal is designed to even out your playing. It boosts quieter notes, controls louder ones, and adds sustains to your chords and lead lines. It's great for clean tones, funk, fingerstyle, and even tightening up high gain tones. This pedal uses an analog compression circuit, so the response feels natural and musical. You get 3 knobs: sustain, attack, and level. Sustain basically controls how long your notes ring out. Higher sustain gives you longer, smoother notes. Attack adjusts how fast the compression kicks in. Fast attack tightens your playing. A slower attack keeps your initial pick attack more natural. This pedal has a true bypass, keeps your clean tone untouched when the pedal is off. On the bottom, it has anti-slip pads built into the base. This helps keep the pedal from sliding around, especially if you're tapping quickly or playing on the smooth floor. For clean rhythm, I keep sustain around 40% and attack slightly slower. It keeps everything smooth without sounding squashed. When I'm doing solos, I raise sustain to get longer notes and a smoother feel. Here's how it sounds: first clean, then the compressor engage. You can hear how it evens out the volume and adds sustain. So that's the Flatsons FCP2 compressor pedal. It's compact, simple, and helps smooth out your playing, whether you're using a clean tones or stacking it with other pedals. Speaking from my own experience, I actually really like this compressor. I love how compact it is and it's super easy to move around. I'm a casual player, so I don't need expensive equipment or high-end studio gears. I just need something simple that works, and honestly, I'm satisfied with it. So far, I'm loving it. It smooths out my playing, adds sustain, and keeps everything consistent without making things complicated. For the price and size, it does exactly what I need. That's it for this video. Link is in the description if you want to check it out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.